Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to dive into the wonderful world of Dharana Yoga. Now I know what you're thinking, what on earth is Dharana Yoga? Well, let me break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. Dharana Yoga is a powerful practice that focuses on concentration and mental discipline. It's one of the 8 limbs of traditional yoga, outlined by the sage Patanjali in his Yoga Sutras. Dharana, which translates to concentration in Sanskrit, is all about training your mind to stay focused and present. So, how does it work? Well, imagine your mind is like a wild horse, constantly racing from one thought to another. Dharana Yoga helps you tame that wild horse and bring it under control. By practicing various techniques like breath awareness, mantra repetition, or visualizations, you can train your mind to stay in the present moment. The benefits of Dharana Yoga are truly incredible. It enhances your ability to concentrate and sharpens your mental focus. This can be incredibly helpful in our fast-paced, technology-driven world. It also helps reduce stress and anxiety by calming the mind and bringing a sense of inner peace. Incorporating Dharana Yoga into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Start by setting aside just a few minutes each day for focused concentration. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed and begin by observing your breath. As thoughts arise, gently bring your attention back to your breath. As you progress, you can explore other techniques like repeating a mantra or visualizing an image. The key is to find what works best for you and be consistent with your practice. Remember, Dharana Yoga is not about achieving perfection or emptying your mind completely. It's about training your mind to be present and focused. With time and practice, you'll notice a profound shift in your ability to concentrate and experience a greater sense of inner calm. So, why not give Dharana Yoga a try? Start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey of self-discovery. Trust me, the benefits are totally worth it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, Namaste.